We'll talk about it if it makes it. If it doesn't make it, we won't talk about it.
Clear prop, danger.
Bit radical. A little bit out of control, hence the name. So how about we just take it easy with that 6 cell. Getting pretty proud of myself trimming a plane in the air. I don't know which trims I'm trimming, but I'm trimming something. Flying a bit worse, so obviously going the right way. Shall we stick a camera on board, the next one? Means we don't get to fly the glider, but don't blink in the turns is a good note. Starting to rain, which is good. We need some rain. We've only had about 6 months of it. How's that? Landing upside. Now why is that? Oh no, we've cracked her. We've cracked her in half. So this is the R racer. Bit of a break there, but never mind. We'll have a break from flying it. Get it? We'll have a break. I asked Swifty what colour she wanted, or what colour her kids wanted the plane, and they come up with 32 different colours, so I bought that because I couldn't remember what colour they wanted. So that is the colour. We'll put some glue and some, you know, some stuff, maybe even some carbon fibre in there, but anyway, that's our Swifty.